So if we go into our cookbook here, and if we go ransomware detection, I could. So the ransomware detection script here. So I think this is actually a script that my boss, Mark Andre, created. I think he actually created it when we were in the Netherlands earlier on this year as such. So how you'd go about doing this is obviously we're going to download the YAML from here. We're going to then upload it to our N-Central environment. So if I come into scheduled tasks and scripts and software repository, I'm pretty sure I have this added here already. So I can come in here and go ransomware, and it is uploaded. So if I wanted to upload this, for anyone that's not familiar, I'd click on add automation policy. I'd browse to the file. In this case, it's going to be under my downloads, and then it's going to be ransomware. Click on open, and then I click on an OK, and it will upload that file to my scripts and software repository. Excuse me. Now, once you have it uploaded, once you have an AMP like this uploaded, there are, you can run it on man anytime you want by using the add task option, whether that's from the all devices screen here. So if I come down here, I want to run it against these 3 devices, for example, I can click on run an automation policy, and then I would select that from my drop down. But the problem with that is it's only going to target the devices that I use. So the way, if I want to run this on a regular basis, David, how I'd go about this as such is I would create a scheduled task profile, and I would come in here and we'll just click on add. We give the scheduled task profile a name, so we'll call it ransomware detection. And we'll add that automation policy to our scheduled task profile. So you're going to run this on a regular basis, I'm guessing, maybe once a week, once a month kind of scenario. So we can come in here and we'll choose ransomware again. I cannot type today, guys, apologies. And we'll click on, let's give it a name here. So I'd say weekly, Friday, 5 p.m. And we'll schedule that to run here as such. So we'll run it on a recurring basis again. We'll choose the custom period of time. We'll choose the time we want to run it on, and obviously, set this to whatever you want, and the frequency whatever you want. And then if the task has been missed, we'll run it as soon as possible. So we go ahead and save that. So once you create the scheduled task profile, you can add multiple tasks to your scheduled task profile. I'm just going to add one there. Once you create that scheduled task profile, then you're going to use a rule to deploy that as such. So if I come in here and I click on add, and I want to target all my workstations and laptops, for example, with the ransomware detection, you just build a rule out for that. So we call it ransomware detection. And then we can target just a generic filter using workstations and laptops. And then under our scheduled task profiles, we'll find the ransomware detection here. We'll add that across, and then grant customers inside access. We can select all our existing customers and propagate to new customers. So by using a rule in a scheduled task profile to deploy a task, not only targeting the existing devices and the existing customers that you have within your N-Central environment, but you're also targeting newer customers that you add to your environment, or newer devices that you add to those existing customers. So that's how I'd go about adding that to run on your machine there, David.